So hi guys, we're gonna teach you about ordering a decimal number line. So first, of course, we have 0 because 0 is 0. So, and then 500ths is second because the hundredth spot means it's half of the tenth spot. So
How much money is one?
So half of the tenths equals 500ths. So that's less than 1/10.
Which equals pretty much 10, and that would equal 5.
That equals 1/10 in fractions.
And then another way you can see it is, the way you can also see it is the 1, there's a 0, so you know it's 0, and then that little point is which represents it's going to be a decimal, and then that 1 is going to show that it's going to be a 10, or it's going to be like a 2 or 3 or so on. But then the 5 or you know
whatever number that's after the first decimal number
makes it like you can pretty much read it
100.
100, so you pretty much read it like it was 15.
Yeah. So 1500ths is less than 0.2,
which equals 20.
Which equals 0.20 because 0 is just doesn't count, and it's less. It's more than 1/10. So
and then 15 is in the middle.
And then of course the 2/10ths, and then the 2500ths, 3/10ths, 3500ths, 4/10ths, 4500ths, and then there's the 5/10ths, which is equivalent to 1/2 because
You all think about this as money, yes, Connor?
yeah, and the 5500ths and the 6/10ths, 6500ths, 7/10ths, 7500ths, 8/10ths, 8500ths, 9/10ths, 9500ths, and 1, of course, because it's 1. And these are all in the middle.
And also, you can see as it goes, and the way you can check it is if you have the same type of cards as us. It goes 0, 5, and you can tell that 5 because it's got the 0.5. And then you have the 1, and it's almost a 10 because you could just add a 0 to it. Then you have the half, which would be 15. Then the 2, because you could add a 0 to it. And we're in the order of tens. So sometimes you might be in 100ths. So you would add on, if you had 0.2, you would add on 2 zeros. So it's really how many zeros are at the end of your number. So right now we are doing it in tens. So we really are just adding one number.
Mean we're not doing it in 100.
Yeah. So we're just adding another number to it, which would equal to being inside of our number range.
So, yeah. And an easy way to think about all this is money. So, if you add a 0 to the 1/10th, that equals 10 cents
or a dime.
And 1500ths is a dime and a nickel. So, and a half is a half a dollar, and then 0.25 is a quarter. And well, there isn't a penny here, but there's a nickel, and then 1 is a dollar.
So you have your dollar bills.
Yeah. So that's an easy way to look at it.